Well, welcome to the second video on how to start a free food blog. You've chosen the first option, which is to start a blog for free. So here are the things you're going to need. So the first thing you're going to need is a name for your blog. This can be anything you like. You want to make it unique but recognizable and easy to find. Hopefully something that's easy to type in. I'll let you be creative on that. The second thing you'll need is a Gmail account. In the free ebook that we have, we show you how to set up a Gmail account if you haven't already got one. So download that free ebook and get those instructions. You'll also need an image of food because we're going to use that later as we create our recipe. And this can be any image you got from anywhere. It's just to show you how to do it at this time. And then a description and ingredients for a recipe, again for demonstration purposes. You'll just need that. So let's go from there. So as we get started, you're going to go to the site www.blogger.com. Make sure that you are signed in. You should see this page, but make sure you're signed in on your Gmail account so we can get started. So once you're signed in, this page will come up, create a new blog. First, you're going to type in your title. This is the name you've chosen. Type in the full name with spaces. And then the second field you're going to enter is what's called your URL. This is where you'll put the names with no spaces in there, making sure you have a unique URL. And the way you determine a unique is you'll get a little check mark on the right-hand side of this field. When that appears, you know you have a unique name and it can go. So after you've done that, select a theme, and it can be any one because we can change that later. That will design how your site looks, but then you just click on Create the Blog. It's really that easy. The next thing that will come up is to let you choose a domain name, which you don't need to do right now. So just click on No Thanks, and you have a blog. This is amazing. Now let's just set up your first post, which is your first recipe. So go find that description that I told you to have, put that in here, and then below the description we're going to add an image. Slide on over to where this image picture goes. Click on it, choose a file, and that can be really any picture for today. This is just a demonstration. Once you have the image selected and put into your post, then we're going to scroll down below that image and we're going to put in the instructions and the ingredients. So I've copied these from a Word document and just put them into here, just to cut and paste. And the last thing that we're going to do as we set up this recipe now is to put in a post title or a name of a recipe. I'm just going to call this delicious chicken bacon recipe. Probably ought to add cheese, but let's just go with bacon recipe for now because it's easier to type. Slip on over to the publish button, and then once you click publish, your recipe is posted. There it is. Let's go take a look at it. Sure enough, here is your recipe and your blog. You are all set up. You have a blog with a title, a recipe with a picture and ingredients, a place people can comment on it. You'll notice up on the right-hand sidebar, this is what this side part is called, as a sidebar. You're going to see that your recipes are already posted. You're creating a history. And now we just need to change the title, put in a logo. Okay, now all you have to do is add the finishing touches. What I'm going to have you do is go down to the description in this video and click on the link that goes to the free ebook. In that ebook, we explain how to create your own scheme so you can have the colors you want. It shows you how to create a logo and a header image so that you can put it at the top of your page. And then once you have a header image, we want you to create an about page that tells people about you. This is how you get people coming back again and again because they're interested in you and why you're posting recipes. This is an important part of your site. So we'll have you do that. It's all explained in the ebook. It's a step-by-step process and you can do it. And then you have a fully functioning blog, as well as the opportunity now to move forward in our next steps. We have additional videos that will teach you how to sign up in social media, drive traffic to your site, how to start earning money. We also have an advanced course that you can enroll in, 5 to 10 minute videos, and there's 80 of them. Plus we add to that some free consulting. So we'll look at your site with you one-on-one. We'll also do some WordPress programming for you. All of this is included in our advanced class so that we can get you going. We'll also do some Pinterest work for you and some My Recipe Magic work for you. We want you to be successful, and we think you can do this. It takes some commitment on your part, but if you do it, we can help you through it. So let's get going, make this blog a success, and your life and many lives will be blessed because of what you've done.